This is 118 Christian Street in Nanticoke. It's the back building, the multi-family building. We manage this one and also this building here as well. We have a second floor apartment, 1 bedroom. It's pretty nice, it's for rent. As well, the mail is down here and the steps that go up. There's also a second entrance as well. Up these steps. We have 2 apartments up here. Apartment C. Oh no, that's E, I'm sorry. That's gonna be available too for rent next. It's being repaired and renovated. So this is all comes with this unit here. They have outside storage. It comes into your kitchen. Gas stove, heat's included. Water and sewer. And gas only thing is paid electric for lights only. Sink back there. Countertop with cabinets, more cabinet space. Really nice and clean. It's pretty cool too. You even have an iron board in the wall, like the one you see in Tom and Jerry. And this comes into a dining room or TV room. It's built-in furniture. Large windows. Gas steam heat, so it's the best. So that could be the living room, or this could be the living room here. There's a coat closet. And this is the second exit that goes down some inside steps. It just goes downstairs. Not really used. The other entrance, but it's really mainly used. A lot of old charm in this place. And you also have a little sunroom too, which this door shuts and closes this. It's all nice paneled walls. Nice view of the whole valley area. So parking is on the street. That's my truck right there. You can park right down over here. That's the window that goes into the bedroom. And we'll head on out. Show the lights. If you're interested in this apartment, go to my website, parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application or just a request questionnaire to pre-qual at the bottom of the listing. We'll be in touch by email same day or next business day. Oh, the back bedroom too, the 1 bedroom also has its own closet back there too. I forgot to show that. Oh, the bathroom would help. Bathroom is off the kitchen. Nice clean tub. New toilet. Medicine cabinet. And that window goes to the front porch. Alright. Let me shut this here. Open this light. And that's pork chop. She's mad and let her in. And there you go. It's a nice 1 bedroom. And if you have a family member or a friend who looking for a 1 bedroom as well, there's one here too. This may even be a 2 bedroom, not 100%. So if you're interested, apply. I'm definitely sure it's a 1 bedroom, so you'll see the listing on the site when it's available.